just a little close for comfort, honey. Ooh. Hey guys, Nicole here. Welcome back to my channel. I am finally back with another video. I know, don't come for me. It's been a minute. And it's not even a hair related video, but it's gonna be okay because we are gonna play with the Moxie magnetic lashes today. And I'm super excited because I have been wanting to try these for a while. I actually ordered them back in September. It took about a little bit under 2 weeks to get here from the time I ordered it, from the time it like shipped and actually arrived. Now there are reviews over these lashes in this particular brand, like probably all over YouTube, everywhere. If you know, this is actually like an ad that kept popping up on Facebook and in Instagram. They kind of knew what I was looking for, which is really weird. But so I don't really get into like fads and things like that, but I was super excited about these because I had just been talking to my friend about an alternative to lashes. So let's just rewind real quick. If you know me, or if you don't, I don't do strip lashes. I haven't done strip lashes and like heavy makeup since my pageant days. Like, it's like I forgot how to do them. Like, the glue gets everywhere. It's a complete mess. I can't. And then I also ended up trying individuals, which I loved, but I can't seem to find anyone here that I trust enough to do them and that won't charge me an arm and a leg. One lady who does a really great job said that the full set would be $250, and then of course you go back and get refills every 2 weeks or so, and that was like $100 or $150, and I just couldn't commit to that. It just seemed crazy. So I thought, why not try the magnetic lashes? This is actually a cheaper route to individual lashes, I think, and I mean, it is a little bit pricey if I remember correctly. Let me check it out. Ended up getting the starter kit with the classy lash and an order of the sassy lash, and my total for the order was $114, which isn't bad. I know it's more than like strip lashes and glue, but when you think about how much individuals cost and you could just keep reusing these, I think that's actually a better idea than individual lashes if you want to save some money. So I haven't even opened the package yet. I'm so excited. It came in this really pink, pretty package. So we're gonna just explore this together. Okay, so we have the liquid magnetic liner, the classy lashes, sassy lashes, ooh, and the removal cotton swabs. It says it's infused with lash conditioning ingredients, and they gave you 30 in the box. And then of course this little how-to of how to put it on, which I mean, it doesn't seem that hard. Now I will say the only problem I have with the lashes is that it's a liquid eyeliner that you have to apply, and I cannot apply eyeliner to save my life, especially not a liquid one. So that's going to be interesting because you know, you got to apply the liner pretty well and neat for it to look good. So I did watch a couple of videos of how to like apply it and how to use it, blah blah blah. It's gonna be fun. Let's see how this goes. I'm gonna try to get in close so you all can see me. Ooh, just a little close for comfort, honey. Ooh, if y'all have tips for applying liquid liner, please let me know down below, because your girl be struggling, okay? Struggling. I'm having like the hardest time with this, and I'm getting it on my bottom lash. Oh my. Okay, so like you have to, it's very pointy. So like you have to be very precise with this, and it's kind of like thick and gunky, at least maybe the bit I got. Okay, that's a little bit better. It's more liquidy. Y'all, if this works, this is gonna be like a dream come true for lazy people like me, because, you know, I'm gonna try to do the other side. So I do know you have to let it dry. I feel like I'm getting it everywhere though, like, oh yeah, I definitely messed that up. Okay, y'all just don't look at the mess up, okay? Ooh, that is definitely a mess, if y'all can see that. But it's gonna be okay. So something I didn't think about was how long the lashes are and how like long I need to make the line, so I might need to bring it out a little bit more. Y'all, this is horrible. I'm gonna get better. Okay, so I'm going to let that dry. Okay guys, so I am going to try out the Classy first. I think it's pretty much dry. So on the packaging, you can't see it, but there's actually magnets on here as well, so you can put it back on there. All right, so let's just see how this works out. So I got a little on my lashes and it's trying to stick to my lashes. So clearly this is going to work. So I don't think I put it down far enough, but you know, it's a learning process. I cannot, this magnet is strong, y'all, like it will not come off. I don't know why I'm so nervous, like I'm gonna mess it up. Like I don't think I can mess it up at this point. The baby lashes are actually like kind of short. Well, Classy lashes are kind of short. And so they kind of are like classic lashes, but you can like move them and fit them wherever you want them to be, but they're definitely sticking on there. I'm sure if I would have did the liner a little bit better, it will look a little bit nicer. But you know, this is trial and error. This would be the error part, you know. Let's just try something else here. So since I made such a mess of it, I'm going to try these Sassy lashes. Maybe they will look better with the mess up of the glue. Okay, these lashes are clearly not meant for people who can't put on eyeliner because I made a mess of the eyeliner, and so nothing's really working right. Okay, so this side I did a little bit better on the eyeliner and it sticks a little bit better. I don't know, what does that look like, y'all? Definitely like sassy. I don't know, I feel like I'm not doing this right. I'm about to call this a fail. Like I can't do this. I don't understand what's wrong. Okay guys, we're gonna start over, okay? So I read the directions and I'm taking one of the little cleaning swabs, and you don't wet it or anything. It says it's pre-moistened, and you just take it and you kind of wipe off what you've done. And it's actually coming off pretty well. Okay, so I'm going to try this again. Maybe I can get the liner on a little bit better this time and not like all over the place. And really, I don't think you're supposed to pull your eye like this to do liner, but this is the way I'm managing. So I figured if I start from the end and work my way. Okay, much better. Let me see if this side is dry. It's pretty much dry, so start at the end. Like it's on there. Oh, okay, okay then. Let me bring y'all in. So. Yeah, that's them. They're on there, and they're actually like, it's really lightweight. I gotta get better with the liner, but if I get better with the liner, this is going. Hold on, let me just finish the look. Okay, y'all. So I just kind of like completed the look, and y'all, like, okay, I can't even feel them on there. They're on there good. I wanted to see if I like did the lashes first and then went back and did eye shadow, would it kind of work out? And like, y'all, like, oh my gosh. So if I get, you know, the eyeliner part down, this gonna work out. Like, y'all, I'm actually really liking the glam ones. I don't think I like the classy. Like, I love sassy, not so sure about classy. Classy will probably be like a definite everyday look with a little bit of, you know, makeup on or no makeup, you know, just to give you a little extra oomph, because I have very, very tiny lashes. But I am a little concerned about the magnet, but I just really don't think they would put something near your eye that wasn't safe. So, but I'm sorry, I can't stop looking. Like, girl, friend, I was like this close from being like, you know what, Moxie, this liner, it's not worth the fuss. However, I do remember seeing on the website that they have the one that you can like, what's it called? Darn it. Okay, so I grabbed my phone real quick so I could pull up the website. So they have the liquid eyeliner that I have, and then they have the magnetic gel eyeliner. So for those of you that struggle like me with this liquid liner, the gel one might be better, which I actually might try that in the future. And I also wanted to tell you all which lashes they have. So they have starter kits, they have all kind of kits on here, guys, and they have their money lash. Ooh, y'all, go to their website. I will link it down below. You will see for yourself. But for this being my first time trying this and sucking, y'all, just terrible at eyeliner. I don't even think you can see it now that I have the lashes on and I put like eyeshadow on and stuff. So you can definitely clean it up, make it look good, and fix your eyeliner first, and then use this one to put the lashes on. Make sure you let it dry. Y'all, like, I'm in love. So that is all for this Moxie lash review. I am in love with these, guys. Like, no muss, no fuss, a little bit of muss, a little bit of fuss, but it is well worth it. I love them. They're very comfortable and lightweight. I'm gonna wear them all day. I will keep you all updated on how I'm liking them, how it's working out, you know, if I'm getting better at the application. Okay guys, that's it for this Moxie lash review. I am absolutely in love. I am going to keep you all updated. Tune in for my vlogs. I will be posting those every Monday, and tutorials and reviews every Thursday. If you are new, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you can see when I post new videos, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye guys.